about yourself right now,
Satisfied is hard.
6.
Hold up, let me get up in it now. Bitch, I'm here to win it now. L-O-G-I-C, I'm feeling free, I'm finna bring it now. If you know the words, take a step back and sing it now. Never thought I'd have to, but I keep the windows tinted now. Like, lottie-dottie, who got the keys to my Audi? Last time I said it went viral, I don't fuck with nobody. And I don't fuck with you, them, her, and him too. Cause don't none of y'all know a fucking thing about what I've been through. And all that superficial shit you love, I'm just not into. And when it comes to getting deep in this rap shit I've been to, like the pussy don't push me, I ain't no killer, but you know the rest. You think I caught the Holy Spirit, how I'm feeling blessed. Ain't no contest at all this whack shit, it just ain't no test. Step and get laid to rest, boy, step and get laid to rest. It ain't no S on my chest, but I'm still gunning. While half of these motherfuckers still running. I earned everything I've attained and they steal from them. Like goddamn, I'm the motherfucking man. Used to call you a hater, you a motherfucking stand. Ain't nobody built himself a brand like me. I ain't signed a shoe deal cause I'm waiting for Nike to recognize all these youngins wanna be just like me. Cut the check for 20 million right now when we might see everybody rocking my kicks, preaching positivity. I get up, I get up, I get up. When I'm down, had enough, almost drowned. When shit rough, I get tough. And when I'm beaten to the ground, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up. When I'm down, had enough, almost drowned. When shit rough, I get tough. And when I'm beaten to the ground, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up. Never address me as Robert, less it's about that De Niro. Far from a hero, I ain't never saving hoes. I'm not defined by these clothes and zeros. It don't matter if you got $6, it's 6 figures on the